Welcome guys, today I am with the Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks in this smartphone. Okay, so to open the Pro mode you have to go for the More modes and click on this button. As you can see, right here we can find two bars. And the first I'm going to focus on this one at the bottom. So for the first, we can adjust the ISO. You can make it with the slider and also make it automatically. The next option is the shutter speed. We can set it for the 10 seconds and automatically. Right here we can find the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can adjust only manually. As you can see, there is no this automatic button. Right here we can also find the focus range, automatic or manual, and right now when it's set up like that, it will catch focus only on the objects that are close to the lens. When I'm gonna move the phone like that, as you can see, everything is out of the focus. And if I want to change it, I just have to move the slider. And I think that right now you can see the difference, that right now the objects are in the focus. And the last option right here is the white balance. So basically you just change the temperature on our photos. Here we can make it automatically. In this place we can change the aspect ratio of the camera. There's also shutter delay, 2, 5 and 10 seconds. We can enable flashlight. Right here we can change the matrix metering. And here we can find other parameters. We can adjust the contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation and tint. Okay, and that's all for the Samsung Galaxy M33. That's how the Pro mode looks in this phone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.